Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today will be a tutorial on how I made a coaster set. I'm only going to be showing you guys how I made one of them, but this beauty will be available as 2 pieces on my website soon. I am using Alumilite Amazing Clear Cast resin as the resin for today's project. You guys probably have noticed by now, but that is my absolute favorite resin brand. And I'll have the links for that down below, of course. I got the mold from AliExpress and I'll try and leave the links for everything that I'm using today down below. And so to start with, I'm just taking some black paint, any black acrylic paint, and I'm using a toothpick and I'm just painting on her eyebrows. I'm trying 2 different techniques for each coaster that I make to see which technique I like better. And then that's how I'll be making the product from then on, since this is a new mold. So bear with me, you guys, while I figure out some new things, but I hope you guys like the video. So stay tuned and enjoy. Alright, the colors that I'm going to be using in this coaster set are acrylic paints from Apple Barrel, and I'm taking the colors Melted Chocolate and Nutmeg Brown. In the Nutmeg Brown color, I'm also going to be adding in some Antique Bronze mica powder, and then in both of those cups, the Melted Chocolate and the Nutmeg, I'm adding in some Hemway Fine Holographic Glitter in the colors Copper and Gold. So I'm adding those 2 colors in to give a bit of definition to the skin and hair. All of our colors are placed down in the mold, we are just going to use our hot air gun to blow out all the bubbles and make sure that all of the resin fully meets the ends of the mold, so that there aren't any gaps or bubbles. And we're going to let this cure overnight. It takes about 8 to 10 hours to fully cure, so we're just going to let this sit overnight. And now you guys can see me pulling it out of the mold and getting my first look at what the front of it looks like. Alright, so to fill in the front of this, we are going to be using Apple Barrel paints. Again, we are using the colors Barn Red and Tuscan Sunset, and then we are using our Pearl X pigments in the color Gold. And after me using the Golden Sunset color, I realized I didn't like it as much as I thought I would, so I ended up only using the gold. I put the Golden Sunset in a few spots, but after that I just filled it in with the gold. So the idea here was to create a ombre look. So I used the barn red at the roots of the head and then filled it in the rest of the way with the gold and swirled the colors in the middle together, so that way it wasn't such a harsh line between the two colors. And again, you want to take your hot air gun and just blow the bubbles one more time to make sure that there aren't any gaps where the resin is, and to make sure that it is a very smooth and level surface since you're going to be putting objects on top of it. taking some of the red and we're adding in some more antique bronze to create a lip color for her. We're just testing this out to see if it'll work. And then we are going to set this off to the side and let it dry overnight. But while I have you guys here, I want to give you a little bit of a life update on me. Sorry I've been gone for so long. I've been in and out with the flu and it's been a rough go of it, but now I'm finally back and I have some amazing news to share. I am officially an Alumilite, aka Amazing Clear Cast Resin affiliate. So if you guys hit the link in the description, it'll take you over to my special link where you can save 10% off of your first order of Alumilite resin or any of their other products. I'm also doing my first farmers market event, which I'm so excited. By the time this video comes out, it will have already passed, but I'll have another video coming out soon talking about how that went, and I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I've had so much fun creating this look. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did. As always, be safe, stay well, and I love you. Catch you guys next time. Bye.